welcome. And today I'm going to wire the hand to the Arduino. Here's how the cover for the forearm looks like. It has those slots for limiting the rotation. Here you can see. This is after I wired everything together. I'm gonna do a test now. Here's another look at the hand. I also did some testing by shaking his hand. I still have some work to do on the forearm, but everything is now wired. Oh yeah, and I accidentally burned something from the microcontroller, but it still works, so this is progress report number 1. See you next time.